Welcome back user. Today I'm going to show you how to add student whose profile was not great or missing in UDISE plus student list of the year 2022-23. Well, you might have read my previous tutorial video on how to add missing student profile using the S02 form filled by the concerned schools and submitted to block or the district SSA office. Now you have to enter these detail of missing student in the UDISE portal. And to do that, you have to log in from the block level user only. So for this, I'm going to log in with one of the block user ID in order to show you how the process is going to be. Now we'll go to academic year 23-24. Now on the topmost, you will see the admin panel. Go to admin panel, then there is a tab box below add new student. Now this option has been given in order for you to add those students which are even missing or not entered during the previous academic year. Now we'll go to this section. Under the topmost tab, you have to provide the UDISE code of that particular student where you need to add. I'm going to search one schools. Now particular detail of the schools is being shown and reflect in the bottom, which is indicating that this particular school is lowest class is 1 and highest class is 5. The category is primary and management is a private aided schools. Now the below section you will see the profile detail that you can add this missing student detail. Now but if you see the particular section is disabled, in order to get this enabled you have to click add student. Now once you click the add student button, the below fields is being enabled for you to enter the student. Now I'm going to enter one particular student detail which was found to be missing in the previous academic year and they have submitted in the form S02 to the block or district user to in order to get the student updated. Now this one student class is class 4. Then section is A. Now we have to provide the student name. Let's see, gender, date of birth, then student code is optional, mother's name, then you provide father's name detail, then guardian name is optional when you have already have given mother's name and father's name. Now the next part, you have to provide the Aadhaar number of student. Make sure that you also get the Aadhaar detail because Aadhaar number is very important. All students need to get themselves register, enroll and get the Aadhaar ID. If the particular student has already enrolled for Aadhaar, you ask the 12-digit Aadhaar, get the Aadhaar number and enter it in this field. Otherwise, for temporary, if the student has not uh, enrolled for Aadhaar, you can provide a 12-digit 9 number. This will be a temporary digit number that will be assigned student in order to get themselves registered under UDISE. But make sure that in the coming days or the coming months the student will get the Aadhaar ID, then you have to update this Aadhaar in for this particular student in the same section. Now this is blank, you need not provide the name as of now. Then click on add new student. Then a pop-up will come for you to give a preview of what detail of the student that you are going to add. You just check all the detail. If all the detail are correctly filled entered, then you can click confirm. So once you click confirm, this particular student will be registered. Now once it is confirmed, you can go and check the particular student detail, whether the student has been updated or not. You go to home page, then you go for the dice code, search the dice code of the particular school. Now under student school dashboard, you will see I have already entered one student in class 4, which I have just updated, but it is not shown here reflect. You have to go to view manage, you will be enabled to see. Just click view manage. There is one particular student which has already been updated via that missing student or add new student profile. So you have to start doing the entry for this particular student in the general profile, enrollment profile, and facilities profile. Then after that you confirm, then the entry status will be completed, and the new student or the missing student which you have just added now, and also the if you have completed, then this particular student entry has been completed for the year 23-24. So friend, this is the process of how you're going to add the student detail which you have received from the concerned schools by submitting the S02 form. All, not only name, all those other detail you can easily update using this module. So till here, thank you once again, Kublai Shibon Mitela.